When I first met you, I thought it was by chance. Never in my wildest dreams did I think I would ever see you again. Yet here we are, 3.5 years later, getting married.
Erica, with all my love, I take you to be my wife. I promise to love you, respect you, and protect you from harm for the rest of my life.
God is love, and he who remains with love remains with God, and God in him. Remember the love you feel for one another at this moment. Hold it dear in your hearts. May you continue building your lives together, loving and respecting each other always. Stay with that wonderful joy of life that you both have.
Babe, today is going to be the best day ever. Can't help but feel so lucky to be the one you have chosen to be by your side forever. I feel like we are just on a cruise the other day. Yet I also feel like I can't remember what life was before that moment. You have made my life infinitely better in so many ways. You opened another dimension in my life that I had never seen or felt before. You showed me the meaning of love.
I want to thank you for teaching me about life and what really matters. You have always been my rock from the beginning, and I will give my all to provide you the same feeling of security, support, and love that you have given me.
I humbly give you my hand and my heart as I pledge my faith and my love to you.
Today you will be mine forever. You have turned my world upside down since the first day I met you. You made me become a better person. You have helped me find the purpose in life and have made me realize how beautiful love can be.
Our soulmate is someone who shares our deepest longings, our sense of direction. When we're two balloons and together our direction is up, chances are we found the right person. Our soulmate is the one who makes life come to life.
You are everything I could want in a man. Smart, handsome, charming, a go-getter, funny, and everything I could ever need for the rest of my life. Somehow, I always knew exactly what I wanted.
I'm so excited to spend my life with you and what the future holds for us. This present is nothing compared to the love I have for you, but I hope you will like it. I love you forever.
Way is there to thank you for your heart, your sweat, your tears, for 10,000 little things for oh so many years. The best of you was passed to me in each and every way. Thank you for the gifts you give, for everything you do, but most of all, thank you for making all my dreams come true.
Beautiful. Gorgeous. I promise to support you and cherish you in health and sickness, through sorrows and success, till death play us apart.
promise today and for the rest of my days to be your best friend. I promise to make you a father and to make you proud as the mother of our future children. And lastly, I promise to love you through every moment, through every endeavor, every challenge, every milestone. When the muscles go away and our hair turns gray, when all we have are the memories of the beautiful life we have yet to build, I will be there.